Morning everyone, welcome to another episode. My name is Cos and I am the Scrambling Dutchman. It's 5:30 in the morning, alpine start, and today I'm taking the lead on the Cosmiques. We'll take a different route than I did last year, the official route. Last year we took the guides variation, so yeah, we're gonna get racked up and I'm gonna get going. I'm probably gonna start filming a bit higher up as the first bit we already did in the first video, and to get better light as well. Well, yeah, we'll see how we go, but look at this view. We've all seen terrible footage coming back from the Alps this year. The heatwave has brought lots of crevasses and plenty of rockfall. But the question today is, did it affect the Cosmiques Arete at all? Our very early start brought some low temperatures, which gave us some nice crunchy snow on the approach. The first initial section was pretty clear of snow, apart from a little bit of ice in a gully. For most of it, it was pretty nice scrambling. So it was pretty much safe to say we were having a good time. On Belay, when we got to the Abseils, we went right on the official route. Last year we went left on the guards variation. After the Abseils, we moved rightwards until we bumped into what I found a pretty interesting bit of climbing. After Belay and Dave and Kate up, we continued on to the crest of the ridge. The crest of the ridge is exactly the point where the guides variation joins as well. A bit further on, we down climbed again. The temperature was warming up and it was becoming noticeable on the snow traverses. snow was definitely becoming a lot softer. And then I actually turned off my camera instead of turning it on. Which I realized when I was on top of the crux. Lucky enough, Kate managed to take a picture. As the belay point was a bit cramped on the crux, I moved aside so that David could belay Kate up. Pretty much from here on, we started pitching. Which clearly was forgotten by the party below.
I'm climbing! Jesus!
The route then took us to the north-facing side of the arete. The temperature was definitely a lot cooler on this side. And a lot of the melted snow has turned into ice.
Whoa! Careful, this is super slick here.
So I tried to avoid as much of the ice as I could, as we weren't wearing crampons. It was then the turn for the final few pitches. This section just has some really great moves and some really enjoyable climbing. next pitch also contained a little bit of ice in the gully, but it's quite normal in this location. Some more great moves and really enjoyable climbing. At the belay point, it was time to bring Kate and David up for the last bit of pitching.
Yeah, safe. Yeah, you're on belay, Dave. Okay.
We then went over the slabs and then down climbed. To get to the final bit and spectacular finish of the ladder. So yes, in my opinion, you can climb the Cosmiques Arete in a heat wave.
Excuse me.
The only thing I would say is the descent on the Gilded Midi could give some problems, or some crevasses on the glacial traverse. Other than that, big thumbs up on the Cosmiques Arete.
Whew. And that's just like that, guys. Topped out on the Cosmiques, this time on lead. So yeah, fantastic adventure. We're gonna swap sides now. We're going over to Italy. So if you like this episode, guys, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel unless you've already done that. If you want to get more benefits out of the channel, check out our members area. If you want to help us grow, swipe that comment box, award us some high points, we'll get higher in the rankings. But for now, from a Gilded Midi, thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one.
Yeah, can't move. flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rockin' boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff,